Hello, any wonderful people who decide to watch this. My name's Adriana, but you can all call me AG. All my friends do. My friends Bree, Taina, Maddie, Emily, Alicia, Amber, Jay. Who am I forgetting? Santa. God, I'm forgetting somebody else, aren't I? I can't think, so I am very, very sorry if I have forgotten you. Anyway, well, I don't admin it, but my friends admin a page called Here to the Kids That Are Sick of Bullies, and we decided today that we would start doing videos and about whatever we want, but anti-bullying, anti-hatership, whatever, on this little Skittles in a Cup channel. Anyway, well, I'm 16, I'm the oldest of this little group. I'll paste the links, or the link to the page, and I'll post my Twitter if you do want to talk to me at all. No, I don't admin the page, and I guess that's it. Bye, people.